Hey guys, and welcome back to Inside Investing, and today we're going to be giving you the portfolio update of September, because honestly we have made quite some profit and we're going to show you today how we've done that. This has been passive income. We didn't have to do that much work in order to get this profit, so we're going to show you how much money we've made. And if you want to see how our portfolio is growing in the upcoming future, then definitely give this video a thumbs up, because that definitely helps out the channel grow, as well as subscribing, because then you will follow us into the future where we're going to be expanding our portfolio. And first off, we're going to kick off this video with DEGIRO, which has been our broker actually for quite a while now. So if you want to start investing using DEGIRO, then use the link down in the description. And we've opened our DEGIRO broker account right now. So this is this is the front page of DEGIRO. As you can see right on top of the screen, we show the current balance of our portfolio, so that's around 1,200 euros and 67 cents, 67 euros, my bad. But we do have 152 euros available to trade. This is what we're going to be doing in one of the next videos, so if you want to see that happening as well, then again, please subscribe. So guys, let's see what the profit has been that we've currently made, and that's around 87 euros. So currently we've earned 87 euros without doing any work, honestly. What we needed to do was create the account, which is fairly simple, and then buy a few shares, which we will show you. We've shown you honestly in a lot of different videos as well, how to really buy these ETFs, and we show how easy it is. So that's very passive income, I would say, and that's around 87 euros already. And we've been doing this for a couple of months now, I would say half a year. So 87 euros on a portfolio of around 1,200 euros is not too bad, honestly. Now let's go to our portfolio. This is where the magic happens, I would say. And I would just quickly do it decreasing, or I would say increasingly, from small to large. So it starts off with the Ishares Digital Security ETF. So this is a fairly small one. We currently own around 10 of these at a price of 7 euros on average. That's what it has been going for now. We've made around 7.7% profit, which is around 5 euros. Not too bad, I would say. Then quickly going on to the next one, which is the Vanic Global Real Estate. We've shown you in a different video as well why we want to invest in real estate, and this is one of the easiest ways, honestly, to really become a landowner. We are now a very small land, but we are a landowner, so that's cool, a landlord. So guys, we own 2 shares of Global Real Estate from Vanic Vectors, trading around 43 euros, so that's a current value of around 86. Also not too bad, which means we have around 5% profit on this. Quite good, I would say. Then quickly continuing with the Vanic Vectors. So this is the Semiconductors. We have around 5 shares, so we wanted this, as you see, all somewhere to be around 100 euros. So we've got 5 of these shares, which is in total or trading at around 22 euros, meaning in total it's worth around 110 euros. And then let's see, so that's also around 5.2% profit. That's, I would say, still quite nice. Then quickly looking to the next one, which is the Ishares Global Clean Energy. We own around 10 shares of these, so also just above the 100 euro mark, because they're trading at around 11 euros. We've made, I would say, break even, guys. This is so little profit, I would say this is break even, so that's fine, of course. We hope, at least in the long run, that this ETF will increase, of course, in value. Then quickly continuing with the Bitcoin, because yes, we own a very small portion of a Bitcoin. So this is the Vanic Vectors Bitcoin ETN. If you want to see how and why we buy this ETN, then definitely watch that video on our YouTube channel as well, because that points out why exactly we've bought this ETN. We currently have around 5 of these ETNs with a total value of around 118 euros. You can see that right there, because it's trading at around 23 euros. That's already a 38% increase. That's That's honestly the Bitcoin craze, I would say, guys. So 38%, that's really, you won't see this too often if you are still looking at the other ones. This is definitely the highest performer in our portfolio. So please be mindful that yes, we have made some profit now, a good profit honestly, but yes, you can also lose a lot of money. So please be mindful of that and do your own research on this one. Then the next one, now we get into the larger ones. This is the Vanguard S&P500 Usage Etf. So this is the one that we really want to perhaps buy in our next video as well. As I mentioned, we've got some available to trade money now. So I guess we might be buying this one. We currently own only 2 shares of these. So this is trading around 72 euros. Total value then 145, meaning that we've currently I've made around 7.75% profit. So I would say for an ETF, that's quite decent. Also looking at the rest of the profit and loss, aside from Bitcoin, which is a little bit of a cheater in this one, it's the highest performer. So that's very good. This is very stable and very good performer. And then the last one, which is, yes, our sweet one, which is VWRL. So that's the Vanguard FTSE All World Usage ETF. So we currently already, hopefully, have around 6 of these ETFs, trading around 103 euros. So meaning that we've got around 621 euros invested in VWRL. They're also paying out some dividends as well, which might be coming soon, honestly. So that's good. Meaning that we've currently have around 6.3% of unrealized profit, meaning around 36 euros. So that's very good, guys. Honestly, we are not too mad about this. We're actually quite happy, I would say. Looking at our portfolio, I mean, of course, it's very small money, right? It's around 1,200 euros. So that's for most professional investors, at least, this is no money. But I would say for us, we're just 2 guys who really want to showcase this to you and showcase how you can start investing. This is, I would say, not too shabby at all. And we've made some profit, 87 euros. I think we're doing that in quite a safe way as well. That's why we invest in ETFs. And then we've made some good money as well, which of course always makes us happy. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That definitely helps out the channel grow. If you haven't done so already, then please subscribe as well, because then you can see this portfolio grow. We're gonna go to the 2K, the 5K and the 10K. Of course, hopefully in not too long of a period. So if you want to see that happening, definitely subscribe today. Comment down below if you've got any suggestions or any questions that you have on our portfolio. And we'll of course answer them as soon as possible. And we'll then see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching and let's go.